If you are looking to purchase a solid productivity laptop that is powered by Core i7 and doesn't cost you a lakh rupees, then you are at correct place. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and you are watching Negitech. In this video, I am going to talk about top 5 laptops that are going to cost you around 60 to 65,000 rupees. And on the top of it right now, as we all know, Amazon Prime sales is going on, which is like going to give you some of the best price available for all day year. So without further ado, let's quickly jump into all these 5 machines. Okay, so I'm going to start with number 5. So at number 5, we have got this MSI Modern 15. This is powered by Intel 13th generation, not a 12th generation. In fact, all the models that I'm going to talk about are at least 13th generation. So this is 13th generation Core i7 1355U, which is energy efficient processor. But at the same time, this is i7. So that means that the gigahertz depth will be higher, which will improve the single core performance that most of app utilize. And then on the top of it, you're going to get 512 GB of fast NVMe storage, and it also comes with preloaded Windows Home, which make this machine one of the best, and priced at only 58990, make this machine one of the best value for money productivity machine out there in the market. At this particular price point, it is very hard to find such an awesome machine. Now let's talk about number 4th machine in our list, which is from HP. So this machine is also powered with same Core i7 13th generation processor, comes with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, and what's good thing about this machine is that it also comes with a Microsoft 365 basic 1-year license, which is really nice. And then all the remaining spec, I would say, are almost similar as our previous machine. Now the next machine in our list is from Acer, and the good thing about this particular one is not only you can utilize this machine as a productivity workhorse, but also for little bit of gaming and content creation. And the reason why I am saying is because this machine also comes with discrete graphics. So the laptop that I am going to talk with you about at number 3 is from Acer. So this machine not only powered with Intel Core i7 13th generation processor, but also comes with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050. Although this card is not that new, but still it for sure going to perform way better than integrated graphics. The only con that I see with this machine is that it comes with only 8 GB of RAM, which of course you can expand or add later on. Now let's talk about second best laptop in our list. And this is slightly more pricier than 60,000. So that's why, we said that we're going to talk about laptop under 60 to 65. And in fact, I think 2 laptops that I spoke about are even below than 60,000. And there is a reason why this is a little bit more expensive, because it comes with real Core i7. I mean, the laptop that we discussed so far, they are more toward energy efficiency. This one is real workhorse because this one is H series chip, which is Core i7 13620H. And not only you're gonna get the high performance quad core processor, but here you're also going to get Microsoft Office 21 pre-installed. So when we talk about Microsoft Office 2021, it is there for you lifetime. It's not like basic Office 365 that's going to be there with you for only 1 year. This particular one going to live there forever. So if you want some of the best productivity laptop without compromising on CPU power, then this is the machine that you should go with. The only con I see with this machine is this is a strictly productivity machine, as this does not come with discrete GPU. Now time came to reveal one of the best laptop that we have in this list, which is priced almost same as this Lenovo one. So let me reveal one of the best productivity laptop that you can buy under rupees 65,000 is from ASUS. This particular machine is also powered by 13th generation H series processor, which is i7 13620H, and on the top of it here you're gonna see even more goodies than the previous model. For example, instead of Office 2021, you're gonna get latest Office 2024. And if you are a fan of bigger display, then here you're gonna get even bigger 16-inch of full HD plus display. And then generally Asus laptop also have got their own USP. They generally come up with antimicrobial coating that makes the machine more hygienic, and generally Asus machine are more durable. They also come up with military grade rating, so this particular one also come up with some kind of that you can check out in the description of this machine. So these were some of the best productivity laptop which are powered by at least 13th generation of Core i7 that you can consider buying for coding and productivity tasks. You can check out all these model link in the description of this video. Do subscribe to Negi Tech for more such tech insight, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.